All right, if you're a driver in Ontario, you need to hear this. I can almost guarantee you are throwing away a serious amount of cash every single time you drive. And the craziest part, you probably don't even know you're doing it.
So, what's with this number? 20%. Well, that's how much of your hard-earned gas money you're just lighting on fire every time you're on the highway. Yeah, you heard me right. Let me break it down.
Yep. It's basically a secret speed tax that nobody told you about. Every time you push it on the 401, you're paying this hidden fee. You're not just buying fuel, you're paying a huge premium for a habit that saves you, what, a couple of minutes? It is a terrible, terrible deal.
But here's the thing. That speed tax, that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's only one of the ways your car is secretly draining your bank account. There are a couple more big ones that are acting like a slow, constant leak in your wallet.
All right, let's get into it. We're going to break down the 3 biggest ways you're burning cash and, more importantly, how to stop them. These are the tricks the pros use. Okay, number 1, the 120-kilometer-an-hour convenience fee. We all do it, right? You get on the 401, you want to get where you're going, but that little bit of extra speed, well, the math just doesn't add up. So check this out. The second you push that pedal from 100 up to 120, your engine starts guzzling fuel. We're talking 20% more. It's not a small increase, it's a huge leap in how much gas you're burning for just an extra 20 clicks. And here's the kicker. This is the trade-off you're making. On a pretty normal highway trip, say 25 kilometers, you burn all that extra fuel to save 2 minutes. 2. I mean, you could lose that time at one stoplight. It makes absolutely no sense when you see it laid out like that. Okay, on to number 2. This one's a little sneakier. It's the, just in case, junk you've got in your trunk. This is costing you money all the time, 24/7, even when you're driving perfectly. No, seriously, what's in your trunk right now? Be honest. Got some old hockey gear back there? Maybe a bag of road salt from February? Those golf clubs you swear you're going to use? Your car is in a storage locker, but you're paying for it like it is every time you fill up. 25 kilograms. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot, does it? It's basically a heavy suitcase, maybe a big bag of dog food. You wouldn't think twice about it. But trust me, your car notices. And here's why it matters. Just that little bit of extra weight costs you 1% more in fuel. 1% doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up. It's a constant drag, day in, day out. Your engine is always working harder than it has to. So if you've got 50 or 75 kilos of junk, well, you're just throwing money out the window. And that brings us to number 3. This might be the most expensive air in all of Ontario, and it's probably the single easiest thing to fix, but almost nobody does it. What is it? It's the air that's missing from your tires. That's right. When your tires are underinflated, it's like you're forcing your car to drive through sand all the time. Your engine has to fight so much harder just to move forward. And the numbers back it up. Driving on tires that are even just a little bit low on air can drain your fuel by up to 4%. 4%? That's a massive hit for something that literally takes 2 minutes to fix. Okay, so we've talked about the problems. How do we fix them? Well, the good news is you don't have to drive harder. You have to drive smarter. These are the pro driver fixes. So, 3 simple things you can do right now. Step 1, imagine there's an egg under your gas pedal. Seriously, accelerate gently, be smooth. Step 2, coast to a stop. See that red light way down the road? Take your foot off the gas and just let the car's momentum do the work. It costs you nothing. And step 3, check your tire pressure once a month. It's like giving yourself a free 4% raise. It's a no-brainer. Look, knowing this stuff is one thing, but doing something about it is what actually saves you money. So what's your next move? Let's stop guessing and start saving today. All right, here's what you're going to do. Next time you're at the gas station, check your tire pressure. It's the easiest win. Second, if this was helpful, hit that subscribe button because we've got way more tips like this coming. And hey, if you're in the Mississauga area and you're not sure about your tires, just come see us at Liberty Tires. We'll do a pressure check for you, absolutely free, no strings attached. Look, your car should work for you, not the other way around. Stop burning money. Start driving smart. Come see us at Liberty Tires in Mississauga. We'll get you sorted out.